Oh, yeah. What the hell is that on my... Well, hello there. It's been a little over 2 years. I'm still here. This is so awkward. Okay, so I haven't been in front of a camera in 2 years. I do a couple of Instagram stories, but this, like filming and talking as though I'm talking to you in person, is just so weird. It's totally weird again. I want to do YouTube again. And I want to let you guys know that I'm not going to be an only beauty channel. I'm probably going to do like 10%, 15% beauty. I want to be more of a lifestyle channel. I want to, I love to bake, and I want to show you some baking recipes. I want to cook. I want to clean. Cleaning is my thing. Like, it's not that I love cleaning, it's just that I have some really good like cleaning techniques, cleaning habits. I keep my house fairly clean. I've instilled in my kids, you know, how not to make a mess, like don't go crazy. I want to, and those are the videos that I like to watch on YouTube. Like, I really love watching cleaning videos, organizational videos, cooking videos, baking videos, how to make the perfect buttercream, you know, icing, stuff like that. So I wanted to get back onto YouTube, but do things that I'm interested in. I had put myself in a niche. I had put myself in a group and categorized myself into the beauty community. And as an older, fluffier YouTuber, it was really hard for me to get an audience. And then when I would get an audience, they were not very nice. I had a lot of people that were really nice and that followed me, you know, were consistent, but then I would get these ugly, nasty, hateful comments that would just be like, why am I doing this crap? Why am I doing this? So I can get, you know, verbally abused by someone I don't even know. So I kind of strayed away, and then I had some things going on in my personal life with my stepdaughter that was causing me a lot of stress, and I just didn't feel like filming a beauty video. Like, you have to get ready, or you have to edit really well, and you know, you had to have the perfect setting for it. And I've noticed that the cleaning community, it's not about perfection. It's not about the perfect body or the perfect background or the perfect lighting or the perfect editing. It's about real life. That's what I want to do. I want to show you real life. Like, I want to show you real life messes. Like, I'm a mom of 2 girls. I'm, you know, going through COVID with you. I need an outlet again. And filming YouTube prior, when I started at the end of 2010, I started at the end of 2010 making beauty videos, and I never really grew. And there was a point where I got real consistent and I still didn't grow. So it was because at the time, like, then you had people that were coming out and they had money and they were spending money, and I'm not about that life anymore. Like, I rarely buy makeup. Like, I still do a subscription box. And so I'm getting my makeup, like newer makeup through there. And occasionally I will buy something. I'm not consistently buying makeup anymore. Again, I'm coming back to YouTube as a lifestyle channel. And at some point I'll probably change the name of my YouTube channel from just Stacey K76. The reason I went with Stacey K76 is because I started my YouTube channel, or my YouTube subscription, back in 2006, and I was just doing it to watch other people. So then when I decided to start my YouTube channel, I didn't start a new one. I just went with that one, and it was Stacey K76. So that was my YouTube channel for all this time, and it doesn't really reflect who Stacey K76 is. So I want to change the name. I want to change up what's going to be on my channel. I don't want to take so much time out of your day, so I don't want to film super long videos that I have to edit like crazy and spend a lot of time away from my children or just whatever. I want to put out, you know, a video a week. I can't give you the exact date, so just continue to subscribe to me, and you know, it'll come out in your feed. And like I said, right now with COVID, you know, we're just trying to get through it just like you guys. And when I started my YouTube channel, it was because I had a 2-year-old. My husband and I were on different schedules. He was going to bed early and I was up late at night because I was staying up from coming home from work. And then my schedule was so crazy because of, you know, my job and then with the baby that, like, I needed an outlet. I needed something to, you know, interact with people. And here I am again, like, this COVID stuff really has me, you know, has us thrown for a loop. And so, you know, our lifestyles, everyone's lifestyles has totally changed up. So I want another outlet again. I want to be able to converse with people. And beauty is not my number one love anymore. Like makeup, I still love makeup. As you can see, I put on some makeup to do this video, but I don't want to do this. Like, I don't want to do a beauty channel anymore. I want to mix it up. I had started, you know, changing it up. I was doing some cleaning videos and some organizational videos, but again, I wasn't, you know, that wasn't supposed to be what was on my channel, so I don't think people were drawn to my channel for that, or they weren't watching because I wasn't posting a makeup video. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am back. I want to be back. I want to do this, and hopefully, you know, the stresses of life won't get to me again like they did before in 2018. Wow, that was a long time ago. That was the last time I was posting. COVID is stressful again, like it's putting a damper on everyone, and here I am saying I'm going to do this, but I feel like everybody's going through this, right? Whereas what I was going through in 2018 was just in my home. So I hope you guys will stay tuned to what I'm going to bring you. Like, I plan on doing right now an Amazon favorites and, you know, an Amazon cleaning favorites, cleaning products that I got from Amazon, and I really hope you like it. So I will be back, guys. I'm back, and I'm ready to do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm here, and let's just see what life brings us, right? All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye. What was I saying?